How to use layer settings. Learn how to use the Layer Settings tab on the Live page. Click here to open the Layer Settings bar, which offers different options to make vehicle tracking easier. The map defaults to showing all vehicles. Click here to only see active vehicles. As you can see, the truck near the top of the page is now the only vehicle visible on the screen. Now click here to see driver/vehicle info for active vehicles. You can see the vehicle info for any active vehicles. Toggle this on to check traffic conditions to optimize routes and reduce delays. Click on Terrain to show the map in satellite view. Toggle location markers to find the location of geofences. Easily go back to the map's original settings by turning each of the layer settings off. Toggle off active vehicles to go back to the original map. Congratulations, you've learned how to use the layer settings. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.